Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you're trying to create multiple folders all at once and you're thinking, how can I do this? Is there a way that I can automate this process? I'm going to show you how you can do it in Microsoft Excel, how you can create as many folders you want all at once. So follow me into the classroom and see how that is done. Okay, welcome into the class. Now, I have these folders. I have this assignment. I want to create this number of folders. Usually, if I have to do that, normally, I'll probably have to begin to do this new, create the folder, and then give the folder a name, and then go again, create another folder. But no, I don't want to go through this process. I want to automate this process to create all these folders at once. Okay, so all you need to do is create a new Excel file and then put all the folders names there. Okay, so this is part of the planning. So add all the names of the folders you want to create, or you can generate, maybe if your folder is a process that follows maybe something like projects, you can do project 01 or something like that, and then you can generate maybe multiple names like this if your task is not to go through that. But in this case, I want to use specific names. So I have these folders, I've created this file, and then that's the header, but it's not necessary, but it's just for use sake. Okay. So now I'm going to copy this. So now this is important because this is a command. What this command means is make directory. Okay, so this is a command, right? So it means make directory. So it's a DOS command that says make directory. So you need to put this MD here and then the folder names. So what you need to do is copy these two, copy. Then you must have created a link to your folder. So this is the folder link. So this is the folder where I want to create the multiple folders. So I'm going to right click and then go to new and then go to text document. So here I'm just going to open this text document. I'm going to open this text document and then paste what I copied from Excel there. So I have all this. Okay, I'll paste it there. Fantastic. Then I'll go to file. Then I'll go to save as. So in the process of saving, I can call this create.bat, is a batch file. So you must put this extension BAT when you are creating, and then you make sure that your encoding is the UTF-8. Okay, the encoding is the UTF-8, and then you click save. Then once you are done, you can minimize this, and in your folder, because I have created the folder in the desktop called create folder, and then I created a link to it from Excel. So if you want to learn how to create a link to folder or any file in Excel, you can you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll find a video that I have done on how to create a link using hyperlink to any folder, a link, or even a worksheet or another workbook or a worksheet within the Excel. All right, so I created a link. The link took me to here, and then I created a file and I named it back. So now the last thing that you need to do here is to double click on this batch, create batch. So you see that the folder is on the desktop and it's empty, just these two, and then you double click. So when you double click on this batch file, it creates the folder for you. So you can see that all the folders have been created all at once. So I now have all my folders. So I have all my folder, account, branches, departments, just according to the way I specified in Excel. Okay. So this is how to do it. So just use your Excel sheet to prepare and then take it from there to a text file and name it a batch file. So if you want to learn how to create a link to a folder or to another file, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. But I want to encourage you to like this video, like it, subscribe, like it, and then make comments. Thank you. See you in another session, and bye for now.